Right, good morning you beautiful people of YouTube. It's Wednesday morning, it's about 7:30 and the sun is shining. Right, as you can see, we've had a couple of days of paving. We managed to get down the side of the house roughly paved, a few cuts left to do. We're just doing the return around the corner. It didn't work yesterday, we were rained off, so we've only had Wednesday today, so we laid all day Monday and then laid all day, well, half the day today, and the rain's forecast for 2 o'clock. So I think we're going to crack on, get a couple more flags down and then get off. I'll probably get on with my fireplace at home. So if you've not seen that playlist, I've got one where I'm installing a fireplace at home, so you're quite welcome to go over to that one. I'll put a link somewhere in the video. Watch me carry on building my fireplace. Here comes the rain. Right. No, not touched him. Dan's just pointed fronts up so that it looks like it's a sort of dry stone wall finish. And you can see over there just raking out the front of the flags, so it gives that illusion of like the same as the imitation dry stone wall in the old town Bradstone old town walling. Right, done for today. As you can see, we've got a decent chunk back down again. About another 15-18 square metres there laid today. It's about 3 o'clock. Rain's on and off, heavy showers now every 10 minutes, so we've had enough. So we're going to come again tomorrow and carry on doing what we're doing. Catch you later. Right, good morning you beautiful people of YouTube. It's Wednesday morning, it's about 7:30 and the sun is shining for a change. I mean, we've had 3 storms over the last 10 days, something like that. We had Dudley, Franklin, Eunice. And we're heading back to Sheffield to do some more work on the garden build. I mean, we haven't really stopped. We've been working on it as much as we can, other than the rained off days. Today, yesterday afternoon we laid the circle on the circular patio, and today we'll be cutting that in. So what I'll do is I'll set up the camera and you can watch us cutting the circle. If we've got time later in the day, we're going to build a step, and then we're going to work his way out of the garden over the next couple of days. We've got a guy coming who's delivering a big chimney coping stone that the customers had at their last house that they wanted to incorporate into the garden in this house. It's really heavy, so we've had to build a plinth especially for it, but the guy who's storing it had to build a special trolley to get the thing down the side of the house because it's so heavy. It's like a 3-4 man lift, it's that big. So I'm not looking forward to doing that, but once that's been put in place, we can actually work his way out of the garden, and we're coming to the final final run of the job, if you like, which will be paving his way out, and then it's just bringing in all the stuff to make the garden look nice, the turf, soil, and stuff like that. Also this Friday, I've got a guy coming. If you've been watching my channel and you've seen I've got some work I'm doing at home on my chimney, I've got the guy coming to fit the flue. I'm not sure if I'm going to be at work when he does it, and my wife's probably at home. I'll try and get her to film it if possible, but there's a couple of updates coming for the chimney build. But I've got to a point with the fireplace where I need to get the flue liner installed before I can actually do anything pretty with the opening, because I want to reduce the size of the opening. But what I'll do is at the end of this video I'll put a link to that playlist. So if you want to go ahead and watch the video of me building a media wall / installing a log burner at home, you can do. But I've just got quite a few things going off at the moment. Work's taking off again. It's that time of year where people are ringing up for quotes. I'm doing jobs at home. I'm doing, well, obviously my work full time, and trying to make a couple of videos or so. If I don't get videos out as fast as I'm hoping to, just be a bit patient and they will come. But thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and whatever it is. Belly up and thumbs up and that. So I'll catch you in the next one. I'll set the camera rolling and you can watch us do a bit of work today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and whatever it is. Belly up and thumbs up and that. So I'll catch you in the next one.